The fish is almost done.
That smells delicious, dear.
Would you like a piece of mango? This porridge is delicious.
Yes, it's perfect this morning.
And the fish is wonderful. We should have this more often.
The sky is dark, family. The heavy rain will be here soon. We must prepare.
Yes, Father. Let us go inside. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sokunthea. Let's race to school.
Good morning. The greens look lovely today.
I'll take this bunch of bananas.
Wait for us, Mom. Chị ơi, cà chua này tươi không? Tươi lắm em ạ. Chọn vài quả đi. Ồ, cà tím này cũng đẹp quá. An extra one for your grandmother, dear.
Oh, thank you so much, madam. This is very kind of you.
The storm is getting worse. We need to hurry.
Grab what you can.
Oh no! It's getting worse. I have to keep going.
Unha Maria mat muna tasat ko. Tani kay thotam lasa dinik tot ko lang. Sokunthea ito beri otak ko margiawa. Tas bita kasak.
Thank you, Sokunthea. It's my pleasure. And these look delicious. The storm is quite heavy tonight. It is, but we're safe here, thank you. Always. We can wait it out together. The storm is passing.
Look, the sun is returning.
What a beautiful sight after the rain. Oh, Sokunthea. Mother. Here, dear. Drink this. Thank you, grandmother.
The rain is heavy today. It's good for the harvest. These mangoes look sweet. And our vegetables are plentiful.
Smells delicious, Mother.
I'm almost done chopping the herbs. This cucumber needs another scrub. The storm has finally passed.
It's good to be together.
This meal is delicious, thank you. We're glad you're here. The rain makes everything feel so peaceful, just the way I like it.
Good night, my dears.
Reading something nice? It's a wonderful story, Mom.